Hello everybody, and welcome back to another Cash Stuffing Sunday. How are you all getting on? I hope you're all getting on really well. Never mind my hands. I've had a breakout of eczema on my hands and it's absolutely killing. That's all because I went and I washed dishes. So guys, I am keeping on a roll here. We are on week 3 of me being consistent. Like, who am I? So before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe and do all the YouTubey things. And sure, look, let's just get straight into it. Again, it's only another 100 quid. I did pay, look, it's only another 100 quid, be grand. I did pay off some of my bills, so we are going to go in with this. I have written out, I am using an old one because I went and paid a bit extra off. What did I pay extra off? I paid extra off the council tax and I paid extra off something else as well. And yeah. What did I pay extra off? Oh, I paid extra off the Argos, that was it. So it was just because I had it. So we're keeping the cash stuffing pretty minimal this week again rather. It's just to 100 quid, just so that it's easy. So just lets me make sure that I do actually have £100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. 100 Smackerinos. Right, food is getting a tenner, so it says here. I mean, I just did a big shop yesterday, so we should not need... I think I need to get potatoes. Council tax is getting... Oh, wait a minute. Childcare is getting 20. Actually, do you know what? Childcare can get 10 because I'm not putting them in this week because Sarah, she just had her operation. So she is recovering at the minute. So I'm not working. So I don't have any childcare to pay for this week because I am picking them up myself. Okay, so council tax will be getting 20 as normal. To be fair, I could put another 10 in, but we will see. Water is getting 20. I kind of just want to get as much of these bills down as I can. Now, do you know what? I could actually put in 10 into Very. So let's put maybe 10 into Very, as we have that one spare. Argos is also getting 10, which I actually paid off a little bit of that last night. Music is getting 20. Where is my music one? Actually, music can get 10 because there's no music happening this week. And then I have £10 for something else. What am I going to put £10 into? We put it into Very. No, we put it into Argos. Let's get Argos down. I only have like £80 more left to do on that one, so let's get this one down. It's the least of the rest of them. So let's go. Right. Penny saving challenge. As you can see, I'm doing it in stages because you know what, it's hard boring having to do the whole lot of it. So let's see how we get on. 20. Okay. 5, 10, 15, 20. So that's 40. 42, 44, 46, 48, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Do we have 59? I do. Don't forget to update your penny tracker. 59p. There we go. Doesn't look too bad, and we are getting there. I swear to God, these cash stuffing Sundays are getting smaller every week. But you know what? I reckon by, like, we're on week 3 now in Feb. So next week will be my last week. I'm praying that it'll be my last week of £100 cash stuffing, and then the following week we're going to start upping it. So we're going to start bringing in the sinking funds as well because I really want to start tackling them. I have some things that are due in June, like not council tax, like car insurance, that kind of thing, car tax, all that kind of jazz. So I kind of want to have a good base set up for that so it doesn't absolutely screw me when it happens. Because you know it will. These things are always really expensive. So lads and lassies, I'm going to Lovies and Leavies because it's only a really quick little cash stuff and there's no point in dragging it out. I will catch you next week. Don't forget to check in for Makeup Monday. I have a new video coming up of some empties. Makeup Monday, cash stuff on Sunday, vlog on Friday, or maybe it's just shop on Friday depending on what way you catch me. And I will chat to you all next week. Have a great one. Bye! Mwah!